Okay, we're going to take a look at how to transfer books from Smashwords to Draft2Digital. We're going to try to make this as quick and easy as possible. So first, you're going to want to log into your Smashwords account, of course. Here, I've already logged in, so you're going to want to now go to your dashboard. So you'll click on your little thumbnail icon up here, and you'll see dashboard. Click on that guy. And once you're on the dashboard, there's a lot of options here, but you're going to scroll down to book summaries. And you're going to select the book that you want to transfer over. And you want to make sure that you unpublish the book before you do this to avoid double listing. So here we are. I'm gonna work with this book. This is a book I don't have available anywhere right now, so I'm going to hit that, and it takes you to the book page. And now you want to go down to manage your book, and that's this section here. And you want to go to download the full versions of this book. Now here you get a few options. And the one you choose is up to you. Here's how this works with Draft2Digital. We can convert either a Word document, a RTF document, or you can upload your already formatted EPUB. Now if you upload your Word doc or your RTF document, you'll actually be able to use our automated free formatting tools, the auto formatting, the auto in matter and front matter, which includes some table of contents and a few other nifty things. And we've also got the conversion tool that you'll be able to use. So you can pick a ebook template that will let you make your book just attractive and beautiful for the reader. So you're going to want to consider that because you can go ahead and do the EPUB. You just wouldn't get those features from us. Yeah, it would go up looking exactly as it looks now. But for the purposes of this, now you could do your original document if you uploaded this document in Word. But you could also, just to play it safe, download the RTF file. So now Smashwords keeps everything by version date, so there were several versions of this book as corrections were made, etc. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click the latest one, and you can see that started downloading. Now we're now functionally we're finished with Smashwords. So once the document is there, so you can see it opened up. This is an older book. I haven't messed with it much in years, so I might want to go into this document, do some cleanup. I might want to remove certain things. Let's say I no longer want a Smashwords edition in the book, for example. And I no longer go by J. Kevin. I go by Kevin. I could change it. I don't know why I have this. Some of this stuff is just holdover from years and years ago. And you can go through and make some edits and changes to this document if you wish. And go ahead and save that. And I'm going to close that out. And now we're done with the Smashwords side of this. That was quick and easy. Now we're going to go to Draft2Digital.com. Now if you have not signed up for a Draft2Digital account, you can click sign up and you go through the process. We walk you through the whole thing. It takes just a few minutes really to get going. And it's a very easy process. We make that simple. If you have trouble, of course, you can click on support, you can click on contact us, you can send us an email, and that will we'll give you a hand. We've got people waiting, standing by, not necessarily 24 hours a day, but we will get back to you as quickly as we're able, and that's usually within a day or two, and we will help you solve any problems you have. So you can sign up there. If you already have an account, you can log in, and you'll use your email address, the email address and password you used when you signed up. And now, once you're in, you can see here is your this is your book dashboard. This is your My Books page in Draft2Digital. If you already have books up here, you'll see them here. But for our purposes, now you can see up here, by the way, My Books, and this is support, account, reports, all that stuff is available from this page. But you're going to click on Add New Book, and then from here, you'll go to the Upload Book File field, and you can click Browse. And we have our title here. I'm going to go ahead and choose that. And this is running real time. You're going to watch this little wheel here is showing the conversion, and check mark, and we're done. And that's how fast that happened. So here you would go ahead and you would enter your information about the book. And it's not part of a series, so I don't have to worry about any of that. I'll put you could copy and paste the description of the book from elsewhere if you grabbed that information from here, for example. So let's just grab that bit of information. We'll drop it right in there, and then publisher is me. If I have an ISBN, it's very important, by the way, that you do not reuse ISBNs. If you need a new ISBN, we can give you one for free, or you can go purchase a brand new one. But the rules are that you must have a unique ISBN for each version of your book. So you might want to just let us assign one. It's really it's free and it's no big deal. But you can decide on that. You can decide on your categories here. Let's see if I can choose short story single author. I could do key terms, anything I want. Let's say androids. Oops, accidentally hit tab out of that. You can do, your standard 5 to 7 keywords. And then that's it for setup on this page. You hit save and continue. And now we're saving and converting, and again in real time. And boom, here we are. Now, here you would upload your cover image, same way you did before. You can select the end matter you'd like to include, also by your copyright page, about the author, all that stuff. Here you can see all the chapters that were in that RTF file. Okay. No, this is the preview, and you can, let's save and continue. Okay. Now, I didn't add a cover to this book. You're going to want to make sure you do that. But here, we can choose our template styles, and we can go through all of these if we like, and you can preview what it's going to look like over here. This is D2D Simple, which is a pretty cool one. Here's Modern Watercolor. Maraschino is a popular one. There's a whole bunch of these, and I would probably go with something like, maybe something like that. And you can download your files if you want to preview them outside of the thing, or if you just want to have them to send to BookFunnel or send to readers as an ARC copy or whatever. Here you would select this, say you reviewed it, hit save and continue, and now we're on the this is where you would publish. You would set your price, choose your storefronts, and hit submit, and then that's it. You just went through that, and it takes like 10 minutes to on average about 10 minutes to do your book, especially if you grab all that stuff ahead of time, have it sitting there, having your cover saved somewhere, you can just grab and go. So that's it. That's all it takes. You want to make sure you're not double listing your book on Smashwords and Draft2Digital so that you don't get double listed on storefronts. But other than that, not a lot to it. If you have any questions, of course, hit the contact button or hit support. That's these guys right up here. And send us a note, and we will help you out. Real live humans sitting in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, who will help you solve any of your problems. So take care.